Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Classic. Are two wheels just not cutting it for long rides anymore? Tired of worrying about balance, fatigue, or having nowhere to pack your gear? The Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Classic answers all of that and more. This isn't just a touring bike with an extra wheel. It's a full-size highway machine made for riders who want to cruise far, ride comfortably, and do it with confidence and style. At its heart is the Milwaukee 8-114 V-twin engine, delivering 121 pound-feet of torque and 93 horsepower. That's enough power to glide up hills, eat up miles on the open road, and still feel smooth doing it. And thanks to electronic fuel injection, you get reliability, solid fuel economy, and quick response without the hassle. But what truly sets this trike apart is how much comfort and safety it packs in. With cornering-enhanced ABS, traction control, and electronic link braking, this bike feels planted and predictable even when loaded up or turning at speed. The hand-adjustable rear suspension makes long hours on the road easier, and the Tour Pack and Trunk Combo gives you 6.8 cubic feet of storage. That's road trip territory. And yes, it's big. It weighs over 1,200 pounds, 564 kilograms, in running order. But that's why it comes with electric reverse, cruise control, and a pressure equalizing vent in the fairing to cut down wind buffeting. You'll feel the difference on long rides. It also includes the Boom Box GTS infotainment system with a touchscreen, Bluetooth, and everything you need to stay connected, because long-distance riding doesn't mean disconnecting from everything else. This is the Harley for those who still want to ride hard but also ride smart. Backhand index pointing right if your idea of freedom includes comfort, cargo, and confidence. This is your trike. Check out the Tri-Glide Ultra Classic. It's not just a ride, it's a lifestyle on three wheels.